I will be talking about a recent Ayush GK update, that is Mission Utkarsh. So what is Mission Utkarsh? It is a collaborative project between Ministry of Women and Child Development and Ministry of Ayush, and the purpose of this project is to improve the nutritional status of the adolescent girls through Ayurveda, and if we talk specifically to control anemia among the adolescent girls. So basically Government of India is already running a bigger program, that is the Anemia Mukt Bharat, and to accomplish Anemia Mukt Bharat, government has launched this project. Now, what is the coordinating agency, what is the target population, and what is the intervention for this project? So the coordinating agency will be CCRS, that is the Central Council for Research in Ayurveda Sciences, which is the apex body of research in Ayurveda. The target population will be the adolescent girls between the age of 14 to 18 years, and in the program more than 94,000 adolescent girls will be benefited in 12 months of period. Now, what will be the intervention? So in this project, two medications of Ayurveda, namely Draksha Avle and Punarnavadi Mandur, will be given for 3 months of period. If we talk about the areas of India in which this program will be implemented in first phase, so there are 5 districts. First one is Dholpur of Rajasthan, second is Gadchiroli of Maharashtra, third is Bastar of Chhattisgarh, fourth is Western Singhbhum of Jharkhand, and fifth is Dhubri of Assam. So in the initial phase, the program will be implemented in these district, and apart from this, there are some institutes which are helping in the implementation of this project, like the All India Institute of Ayurveda New Delhi, National Institute of Ayurveda Jaipur, Central Ayurveda Research Institute Guwahati, Central Ayurveda Research Institute Bhubaneswar, and Regional Ayurveda Research Institute Nagpur. So this was all about the information of Mission Utkarsh. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. Thanks for watching.